So today is a very special video. I want to say I've been waiting over 7 years. 7 years plus to make this exact video you guys are about to watch right now. Today, I'm going to be teaching my little nephew how to drive stick shift in my 2016 wide body bagged supercharged Scion FRS. I've had this car ever since 2016, so it's been 8 years. And ever since I had this car, I always told my little nephew, when you're able to drive, when you have your permit, I'm gonna teach you how to drive stick shift in this exact car. Today's the day. He finally has his permit. I'm so freaking excited. And we're gonna see if he passes or fails the driving test today. I was gonna teach him in the Mustang, but honestly, this car is very, very easy to drive. The FRS, however, is more of like a true feeling. It's a very raw driving car. Overall, it's a great first car to learn stick shift, you know, learn how to drive in, so I'm excited. Let's go and get him, and let's get on the road. How do you feel right now, bro?
Scared.
You're scared?
Yeah. I'm DeMarco.
It's my little but big nephew, DeMarco. Yeah? Think you're ready?
Yeah.
You're all breathing all hard. Like you're 16 now?
Yeah, 16.
I'm kind of nervous too. I've taught a lot of people how to drive stick shift, but never anybody this young. So when you're in first gear, you have to do like a smooth like transition. The number one thing people have is like they let go of the clutch too fast. And then it'll make the car like jolt back and forth. It has to be like super smooth. Like you're handling like a baby or something. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like you can't be rough with it or else it's just gonna be like really jerky. So we're gonna go with first gear.
Okay.
This is how I always teach people is first gear first. Just gonna focus on getting the car to roll. Whenever you touch this right here, you have to put the clutch down.
Okay.
No matter what. I try not to like overwhelm you with like too much information. Let me know if it's like too much.
Alright.
At times. Okay, so we're gonna stall just for learning purposes. The clutch down, kind of like release the clutch.
Just let go of it?
Not too fast, but just kind of like gradually.
Oh
that's
my God.
stalling.
Okay.
So that's what's gonna happen if stalling happens when you don't give it gas.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
To not stall, you have to do that balance thing I told you.
Okay.
Kind of slowly release the clutch. There you go. And then now you can give it gas. Like just.
I don't have to keep my foot on the clutch?
No, release it from the clutch fully.
Okay.
You look scared.
I don't want to mess up.
No, you're good, you're good. It's such like a mind game because you have like two pedals, like you're simultaneously trying to balance your feet and you have to think of like, it's a lot kind of at times, but just like, there you go. It's not bad, it's not bad. So we're gonna focus on like smoothly doing that, you know what I mean? Don't rev it, don't rev the gas down, like, just hold it like smoothly. Okay. See how it's like kind of jerky like that? So that's because you're not giving it enough gas.
Okay.
That's not bad, not bad. Oh shit.
Bro. I look-y like kind of rev. Yeah.
That's why. When you release the clutch too fast, it'll jerk like that.
Okay.
Like a manual car is very like sensitive. So whatever you do, like the car will react to it. Focusing on just keeping it very steady.
Okay.
Don't do this, don't do this.
Okay.
A lot of people, once they get on the gas, they're like, okay, I'm gonna release the clutch. And that's when it just like freaks out. Okay, steady. So it's stalled. It's fine, don't worry, it's okay. Like the car's not gonna break, don't worry.
Okay.
You're doing pretty good so far.
I just want to like get it like smooth. I don't want it to jerk at all.
It takes your practice for sure.
Oh my God. Bro.
Because you release the clutch again, like really fast. What you're doing is you feel the car starting to move, you freak out, and then just like release the clutch. That's what's happening. Giving him some alone time. My mom taught me how to drive stick shift. Whenever I was with her, it was very nerve-wracking and felt like I was under a lot of pressure because she was sitting right next to me. But I used to take her car out by myself and it would help out so much in the learning process. So I'm gonna let him do his thing. Wait. Oh. I thought it was in neutral at first.
Oh my God.
Damn. The FRS looks really good though. I hope he doesn't curb my wheels. Imagine.
Oh my God. Yo, I don't like rolling back, bro.
Crazy. I can't believe I'm teaching him how to drive stick shift. I watched him grow up. He watched me grow up. It's crazy. Already 16, bro. Wild. Time flies. Okay, okay.
Oh, I'm him. I'm him, bro.
Oh.
Oh my freaking gosh, bro.
Who was here watching the channel when I taught my girlfriend how to drive stick shift? Literally in the same exact parking lot. Who was here on the channel at that time? Let me know down in the comments. I'm curious if any of you guys watching saw that video.
Bro.
My clutch. I think what you're doing is like this. So watch, look at my clutch foot. You see how you just kind of like,
yeah.
You see how I still have it like down a little bit? And as I'm like already going fast, that's when I release it.
Okay. I was releasing it like when I knew I was starting to go.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You have to hold it still.
Okay.
So still holding it. I'm still holding it. I'm rolling ready, but I'm still holding it. And then now I can release it.
Okay.
I think this time around he'll get it. He'll get it. Hold it, hold it. There you go. Damn. Hold it. There you go.
Oh, I'm him, bro. Yo, Chad, I'm him.
I should have told him that earlier, but yeah. That was smooth. That was probably the smoothest one he's done. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Bro, heck yeah. That makes me so happy seeing that. Seriously.
I hope he doesn't make me like drive home though. I'm cooked if I have to drive home. That was good?
Yeah. Keep doing that.
Okay.
There you go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah. I just learned how to drive stick with Chris Borgs.
Guys, smash that like button though. For DeMarco learning. Bro, it's been like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You got the hardest part down, literally. That was the hardest part.
Okay.
The rest is like easy. We're gonna be going in first gear, like what we've learned. Like go a little bit faster. And once it hits like 4 or 5,
then I go into second.
Drop it in a second.
Okay.
Remember, clutch down. Every time you move the shifter, clutch down. Clutch down second.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be as slow. Don't like freaking release it like that. But just like
that.
Yeah.
Oh crap. Like that though?
That's something like that. It doesn't have to be too slow, but not fast. But a good thing is though, you won't stall. Like when you're driving like that, you can't stall like going fast. Okay, that's good. Okay, now like give it some gas. Okay, now try shifting now. Clutch in. Slowly. It's kind of like crazy, huh? Yeah. Different. You don't have to really give it that much gas. So just focus on when you go in second, just slowly release the clutch. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Just have to remember when you're shifting, don't press the gas. You know.
Okay.
That's why I was just like, because you're still pressing it down a little bit in a second. There you go. Not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, not enough gas. There you go. That was smooth.
That was good?
Yeah, that was perfect. There you go. There you go. Damn.
That was good, huh?
Dude, we got pretty far.
That was good.
Yeah, you feel like a new man?
Yeah.
You know how to drive manual now. It's official. Are you tired or are you good?
No, I'm good.
You're good? Yeah. Guys, he has got it. He got it way quicker than I expected. He's doing 4th gear now. I was honestly gonna save this for another video, but he's honestly done it all in this one. Check it out. He's got it, bro, literally. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, and 4th gear. I'm pretty sure he could do 5th and 6th if he wanted to, but yeah, we're gonna get some outside shots of him driving by, shifting and everything. Here it comes. Dude, that thing sounds so good, supercharger. That's crazy. I can't believe he's driving this. Damn, that blow-off valve. That was literally like an hour ago. You learned so fast. He's getting so comfortable with it. I can tell he's like more comfortable because he's like giving it more gas. Damn, now I got somebody to get rollers with. I need a friend to like get rollers with, you know, shots for the vlogs. DeMarco knows how to drive stick shift now, bro. Let's go. I'm so proud of him, man. He's doing so good. How you doing?
Good.
Dude, you got it. You literally like, it's like perfect. I'm watching from the outside. Watch, look at the videos, watch. That's so sick. Alright, that was a little vibe. Got a little car wash with the Mustang. And these are actually a couple clips. Went to a little photo shoot in downtown. I don't know. It's always cool going to downtown San Diego for a photo shoot. But hope you guys enjoyed that little random segment, you know, washing the car and, you know, these clips. Today was a really fun video. Finally got to teach my nephew how to drive stick shift. Like I said, I've been waiting for years to make this video. He hit me up. He was like, yo, I got my permit. And I was just like, bro, let's go. Like, I've been waiting. And surprised me, man. He did super freaking good. If you're watching this, DeMarco, I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. And you officially know how to drive stick shift. That's so sick. Yeah, right now it is Sunday night. It's like 10 p.m. I'm just kind of getting ready for the next week. Gotta love Sunday nights. Got a brand new week ahead of us. I've been eyeing these, man. I'm not gonna lie. Been kind of window shopping online, and I definitely feel like I want this to be the next mod for the Mustang. But damn. But yeah, some cooks, long tube headers for the Mustang. I'm trying to make the Mustang louder, man. I just popped it into the broadcast channel on IG. If you guys aren't joined in yet, this is a little broadcast channel on my profile. You can click the link, and it's like a private little group chat on Instagram. So I actually just put it in the chat. Temptations for the Mustang. You guys got to see it firsthand. But I'm not even kidding, man. I think I might just cop them right now. It's definitely what the Mustang needs, and yeah, It's gonna sound so sick. The valved exhaust with some catless headers. Oh my gosh, this thing's gonna sound crazy. Neighbors are definitely gonna love this. But good thing is we have the factory valves on that thing, so we can close it and open it. So I might just cop it right now after I end off this video. Like I said, it's Sunday, so I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week ahead of us. It's a brand new week, so let's get it. And yeah, with that being said, appreciate you all for tuning in, spending some time with me today. With that being said, hope you all have an amazing week, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.